Welcome to Extreme Tech HD, the channel where you can discover the most amazing technologies and innovations in the world. In today's episode, we are going to show you how the manufacturing process of heavy Tatra trucks inside the factory. Tatra trucks are famous for their incredible off-road performance and distinctive design features, such as the tubular backbone chassis. These features make Tatra trucks adaptable to various terrains and conditions, from sand dunes to snow-capped mountains, from military missions to construction projects. But how are these trucks made? Let's find out. The components and parts of the truck are manufactured in different workshops, using various machines and technologies. For example, the tubular backbone chassis, which is the core of the truck, is made of high-strength steel tubes that are welded together by robots. The air-cooled engines, which are the power source of the truck, are assembled from hundreds of parts that are accurately machined and fitted together. The cab, which is the control center of the truck, is made of composite materials that are shaped and painted in different colors. After the components and parts are ready, they are transported to the assembly line, where the truck is assembled. The assembly process involves several stages, such as the installation of the chassis, the engine, the transmission, the axles, the wheels, the cab, the electrical system, and the accessories. The assembly workers use various tools and equipment to secure and connect the parts, as well as to check and adjust the functions and settings of the truck. Finally, the truck undergoes a series of tests and inspections, both on and off the road, to ensure its quality and performance. The tests include the measurement of the engine power, the braking system, the steering system, the suspension system, the lighting system, and the noise level. The inspections include the verification of the dimensions, the weight, the alignment, the safety, and the compliance with the standards and regulations. Once the truck passes all the tests and inspections, it is ready to be delivered to the customer, who can choose from various options and configurations, depending on their needs and preferences. And that's how Tatra trucks are built in the factory. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.